Hello, and in this video, we're going to talk about how we log in, how we access the Red River Worship Leadership courses. So let's dig in. If you haven't already, you would make an account on the Red River Leadership School. Once you make an account, once you purchase a product and make an account, you're going to create a login name when you do that. So the next time you come back to redriverleadership.com, you'd click login. And then here you would type in your email that you registered with and then put in your password that you made when you purchased one of the courses. I like to click remember me, that way it's just easier next time that I want to come back and finish a course. You hit login. And from there, if you've purchased multiple courses, they will all show up here. But for this account, I am enrolled in the Pro Presenter Essentials course. We're going to click on that. And then when we get to this page, we can see the entire course laid out. So we're going to kind of scroll through, make sure that we see everything here. And then we're going to click on Start to get into the individual course videos. So we're going to click Start. And when we do that, it's going to autoplay. And if it doesn't autoplay for you, I have it set to autoplay for my courses. But if it doesn't autoplay for you, you're just going to see a frame just like this. There might be a play button right in the middle. And you can click on that button, or down here in the left corner is also a play button. So you can click on play there, watch it all the way through. If you need to adjust your volume, make sure you do that on your computer, your phone, however you're watching this. And then from there, in this window, if you need more volume or less volume, you can turn it up or down using this. If you want to go full screen, there's some other options in there as well. Now, this platform is on Teachable. We really like Teachable. They do a really nice job of making these courses really nicely laid out, really user-friendly. So as you complete a video, you can either click this button down here, complete and continue, or there's also the one up here on the top right. So let's just pretend that we watched it all the way through.
Now dig in, take notes, share this with your team. Let's dig in.
Very good. So we'd hit complete and continue once we get to that point. And that brings you to the next course. So again, it's set to autoplay for me. And the way that I actually do that, so if you want to set yours to autoplay as well, there's this little gear icon up on top, and you can check on the autoplay toggle here to make the video just play once you hit complete and continue. So I'm going to not check that, and then I want to show you what it's like to complete and continue. So we'll pretend that we just finished this one.
Thank you so much for joining us, and we will see you for the next course.
Okay, so we're all done with that one. We click on complete and continue. And now this time, it's not going to autoplay because I unchecked autoplay. So you'll get this play button right on top. So make sure you click on play. And then in the bottom left, you can always hit pause. And I think you can just hit right on the screen here too. So I hope that is helpful. Reach out to us with any questions that you have. We're excited to help you on your journey to becoming a better worship leader or worship tech, whatever your position is in your church, or if you're doing anything, wearing all the different hats, we completely understand that too. We're here to help you. God bless.